Looking for a solar panel cleaner servicing the Mornington Peninsula in Victoria? Then look no further than Stay Clear. For over 10 years we have been cleaning solar panels at homes and businesses right across the Mornington Peninsula. Keeping your home solar panels clean is essential for maximizing their efficiency and ensuring you are getting the most out of your investment. Dust, grime, bird droppings, and even pollen can accumulate on your panels, blocking sunlight and reducing energy output. By having your home solar panels professionally cleaned, you can boost their efficiency by up to 30%. Imagine saving more on your energy bills while helping the environment at the same time. We only clean using purified and deionized water, so you don't need to worry about any potential water tank contamination. Don't let dirt hold you back from optimal energy production. Contact us today on 0429440380 for a free quote or visit stayclear.com.au for further information.